Fiction is often read for leisure or because it is assigned. In either case, I have written some points up here on the board for you better to understand the fiction that you read. First of all, look for the point of view. There are three types of point of view: first person, second person, and third person. In a first person point of view, the narrator takes part in the story and refers to himself as I. In a second person point of view, the narrator again is involved in the story, but refers to another character using the pronoun you. In a third person point of view, the author refers to the other characters as he and she. So the narrator is not actually involved in the story, they're just merely relating the story to the reader. Another part of point of view is how much the narrator knows. Sometimes you have an omniscient narrator who knows the thoughts of many of the characters. Sometimes the narrator only has limited knowledge and knows the thoughts of only one or two characters, and sometimes the narrator does not know the thoughts of any of the characters. Also, look for setting. Look for when the story is taking place and where it is taking place, and that'll help you better understand the work of fiction. Also, look for characters. Characters are very important in a story. They're basically what make up the story. In a story, you usually have the protagonist and the antagonist. The protagonist is generally the main character, and the antagonist is the one who opposes the protagonist. So look for that relationship between the protagonist and the antagonist. Figure out who those two characters are, because the relationship between the protagonist and antagonist is what drives the plot and develops the story. Also, look for the other characters in the story and decide which ones are important. Some play a minor role in the story, and some play a larger role. So make sure you understand who the characters are, their relationship to the other characters, and what role they play in the story. And that'll help you better understand the work of fiction, along with following these other points that I have given you.
To find out more about how to ace your test and get more practice for your test, click the study guide. Learn why Mometrix is the best and smartest decision you can make for your test prep choice. We have done all the work cutting through the fluff to give you what you need to perform well on your exam. Click the study guide to get started now, and thank you for watching and learning with us.